Let's cover the second video of the best time to buy and sell stock series on LeetCode today. If you haven't seen the first video, please go take a look at LeetCode question 121 video. Different from that question, this time you can trade as many times as you want to with at most one share of stock, and your goal is still to maximize the profit at the end. The constraints are similar. The length of the prices is within 3 times 10 to the 4th, and all the prices are within 10 to the 4th. One important attribute of the stock trading in this question is that you can actually sell the stock and then buy it back at the same day. In other words, you can always sell the stock first to secure the profit and then buy it back if you know that the stock price is going to be higher tomorrow. Otherwise, you can just wait for the stock price to drop the next day and then buy it back. This strategy is literally the one we are going to implement. I will first keep the accumulated profits in this variable, profits, which is default to 0. I also like to keep track of the hypothesized buy price in a variable called buy price, which is default to like a very large number. Notice that the buy price here doesn't mean that you already buy the price, but rather you keep track of the buy price from the previous days, and when you see a higher sales price the later days, you will know the profit you can actually get. So here we will iterate through all the prices in the array. If we know that the price is higher than the previous buy price, no matter where it's from, like from one of the previous days, we can secure the profit first. And then afterwards, we will set the buy price to this new price. The reason why we need to reset the price here is because we might want to buy in the stock today and then sell it tomorrow. So we'll keep track of this value, but we don't need to actually buy it today. We'll figure this out tomorrow, the very next day. At the end, I will just return the profits. Cool, now let's get into the code implementation. What we are going to write down is pretty much the same as the pseudocode. First, I will have a profit variable default to 0. I'll have a buy price set to an infinite number. And since the constraint here told me that the range of the prices is within 10 to the 4th, I can use like a million here as the infinite price. Now I will go through the price in the price list, and then every time I will check if the price is larger than the buy price. So I will like to secure the profit. And no matter what, I will always reset the price to this current price. Now return the profits at the end. One trick you can do here is, instead of having these two lines, you can always do profits plus equals to max 0 price minus buy price. So that if this number is larger, you will get a positive profit, otherwise it will be 0. So this is just a trick that you can simplify your code a little bit. Now let's see if it works. Okay, 3 test cases are passed. Now do the submission. All right, so it beats around 50% of the users. And yeah, that's the end of this video, and thank you for watching.